So hello, what's up traders? We are uncovering a game-changing entry technique in smart money concepts, that is change of character entry model or Choch entry model. Stick around to learn how this can sharpen your market entries and boost your trading game. Let's dive right in. What is change of character? When price breaks structure in the same direction, it is called BOS or break of structure. And if price fails to break that structure in same direction and breaks the opposite, it is called change of character or Choch. So there are two types of entries in this model, Choch entry model and IBOS entry model, which is also called internal boss Choch entry model. And these are some rules for Choch entry model. We need to follow strict rules and use common entry models for consistency. So let's understand in detail. So in Choch bearish entry model, we need to choose the time frame, right? So entries are typically made in 1 minute, but if the price action isn't clear, we will use 2-3 minutes. And if 2-3 minutes isn't clear, we will use 5 minutes and then 10 minutes and 15 minutes and so on. In step 2, we need to identify point of interest. So we need to mark 50-minute order block. And as we know, entries are made on 1 minute time frame. And if the price action isn't clear, we will switch to higher time frame. So in step 3, we have already marked our point of interest. Once price hits that point of interest, we will switch to 1 minute. In step 4, we will look for change of pattern. Now we will monitor change of pattern on 1 minute and this will be our signal to enter in the market. For bearish change of pattern entry model, we need to look for order block or FVG in that leg. So our entry will be on 1 minute time frame. We will use our FVG or order block for entry. We will put our stop loss above that lower high and target will be our sell side liquidity or the next low. Now let's understand internal boss Choch model. Once price gives us change of character, we need to look for break of structure in that same direction. That increases the probability of price moving to the downside. So in step 2, we will wait for change of character and then observe for an internal break of structure to confirm the entry. So in step 3, we will look for change of character followed by internal break of structure and we will mark our order block or FVG for entry, put our stop loss above that lower high and target our next lows. And for bullish models, it's exactly the same but vice versa. So here are some examples for that. Now let's see on real charts. So let's see some examples over here. This is a gold chart on 4 hour. And if we try to mark imbalance over here, this is our imbalance, right? And this is not fulfilled yet. We can still see a imbalance left over here. And to the upside, everything is fulfilled. As we can see, this order block is fulfilled. This order block is fulfilled. Everything is fulfilled, right? And even to the upside, everything is mitigated. So if you go to 1 hour, you can see all the order blocks which had imbalances are fulfilled now. Here, here, even this imbalance is fulfilled. Even this, everything is fulfilled. Even this is fulfilled now. Only imbalance left is this one to the upside and this one, right? Because this is 1 hour chart, if we mark our order block, this will be our order block, right? But because of 1 hour order block, our risk to reward will be very less as compared to if we go to 50 minutes. So let's drop down to 50-minute time frame and mark that and refine that order block. So on 50 minutes, we can see the structure was broken, right? So price created this level, created this candle, and then broke this high, okay? And then broke this high. So there is a small imbalance left between this high and this low, right? So if we take this out, we can see that there is a small imbalance left over here, which was fulfilled, but the order block below that imbalance is not mitigated yet, right? Even if it's fulfilled 50%, it doesn't matter. It needs to be fulfilled at least 100%, right? So we need to look for this move to, so price should come and tap this order block. Because this is unmitigated, we will use this as our 50-minute time frame point of interest. And now we'll use this as 50-minute time frame point of interest. Okay. So let's drag this to the right side. Now we need to look for change of factor at this level. So price will come here, tap this point of interest, and we will look for a change of factor here. So let's see. And once price taps this level, we will go to 1 minute time frame to look for change of character. Now price has tapped this level. Now price has tapped our point of interest. So we'll go to 1 minute time frame and we will monitor on 1 minute time frame, right? Price is creating a equal lows liquidity over here, which is sell side liquidity. So price swept this liquidity from these lows and now there will be a reversal, most likely a change of character. So we need to look for this structure break, this, and we need to mark that order block which broke that structure, and then price can continue to the upside, and then price can continue to the upside. So price has broken this level and price created this single low liquidity. Price created this sell side liquidity. So price will induce this level, price will induce this low, and we'll tap our order block. So there is FVG here and there is a order block over here. So you can either enter at FVG or you can enter at order block. So we'll take this entry. So we'll enter here, put our stop loss below this order block or below this order block. So I'll put my stop loss here and we will target the next high or the buy side liquidity. Now we can target this imbalance and now price will continue to the upside. So let's see some example in Euro USD. So on 1 hour time frame on Euro USD, we can see that price was creating lower highs and lower lows. Price broke this low, created this lower high, and again this lower low. But there was an imbalance over here on 1 hour time frame. So price started reversing from this level. So here what we are looking for is price can tap this FVG and this imbalance and this order block and it can go to the downside. So we need to refine our point of interest. So if you go to 50 minutes, there is an order block over here, which is our 50-minute time frame point of interest. So whether we can enter directly at 50-minute time frame order block or 50-minute time frame point of interest, but it's risky to do so because price can continue to the upside. So what we are doing is we are looking for confirmation entry. Confirmation entry is we will wait for change of factor and this will be our confirmation that price can go to the downside. And for IBOS entry, if price tap this point of interest, creates a low, creates higher high, breaks this low, gives us change of factor, and then second break of structure or second internal structure break will be our IBOS entry. So let's see what price gives here. So once price taps this point of interest, we will go to 1 minute time frame. So here price has tapped our point of interest. So we will go to 1 minute time frame and monitor a change of factor. And we will look for change of factor. Price created this low, this high, this low, this high. And now we will wait for a structure break or a change of factor. So if you go to 5 minutes, so if we go to 50 minutes again, we can see there is an imbalance for you, right? And if you go to 1 minute, there is order block at this level. So we can use 50 minute. So we can use 50 minute FVG and 1 minute order block. So we'll look for, so we can use 50 minute time frame FVG and 1 minute order block. So price gave us change of factor here. This is our 50 minute FVG and this is our 1 minute order block. So if we go to 5 minutes, we can use this as our entry area. This will be our stop loss. So if you go to 50 minute time frame again, so we can target this sell side liquidity or this imbalance, right? Because this order block is mitigated, so we can target this loss. So here is our entry. Once price breaks this low, we will go to break even. So price has broken this level, we will go to break even. We will put our stop loss, set our entry. Again, price had a fall, price created imbalance. So again, price created this imbalance. This candle wicked and fulfill 50% of this imbalance. So we can use this, we can trail our stop loss here. And here, either you can take a take profit or you can trail this stop loss again. And if you want to know more about smart money concepts, the link is in the description. If you like this video, like and subscribe.